Hey everyone, की हाल चाल? वेलकम, वनकम, सुस्वागतम. जो बोले सोने आल सस्रिगाल, वालेकुम सलाम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. This is your Baba H.S.P. Namaskaram, Avivadanam, Suswagatam. Now, just do let me know in the chat section that your H.S.P. Baba is visible to all of you or not. Can you hear? Can you see? Wow, Dr. Anis, daily I see few hundred subscription count increases for Baba. Thank you, thank you. It's all because of you, Shyam, Sahana, Anish, Shalvi Singh. It's all your hard work. And once you are going to get selected, Baba will be in millions because definitely you will get that knowledge that others, that knowledge they are not having. So welcome to H.S.P. in World of Chemistry, Chemistry by H.S.P. 1111, Sahana, Anish, Anita Kumari, Organic Questions. आज अनीता जी electrochemistry के questions कराऊंगा in detail. And today I will go, yeah, Sahana, I have seen your message. And today I was busy, really busy. But I will post that video today night or sharp early in the morning. That's my promise, Sahana. That's my promise. Kazal, warm welcome. Now, my dear students, today's session is very short and precise. I will just deal with previous year asked questions of NEET, AIMS, these two things, right? So I'm not going to take Dhruti, welcome. I'm not going to take a long session today. Just my focus is on PYQs of your electrochemistry. Today I will share the PDF also just after this. Giraja Singh, welcome. Just after this session, once it is going to get complete, I will share the PDF of GOC. And today night or sharp early morning, I will show you how I'm going to take classes, right? And this session is going to be very short and precise, just based on MCQs. So everyone sit with pen and copy. Top 30 questions. Top 30 questions. First of all, I would like to deal with top 30 questions. Are you ready for that? Is everyone ready? Those who are new, just say this is your Baba H.S.P. 27 plus years of teaching experience, double postgraduate degrees, MTech in 2004 and MSc in 1999, gold medalist, produced lot of what to say, number of selections, including top 1 rank, 2 rank, top 10 ranks. That's okay. So I want to see the chat running with very high speed. Kaushik, welcome. Now on your screen, just see, here is the first question. Before I deal with the first question I will give you like marvelous question, the best question. Yeah, this question everyone can see on your screen. AIPMT 2014. Is it visible to all of you kids? The visibility is okay. Just do let me know that. Say yes sir, perfectly it is visible to all of you. Just do let me know. Is it perfectly visible to all of you? So first of all, you try to answer it and then your Baba will tell you how to do this question. Deepak Kaushik, but Hindi में भी बोल दो. पक्का पक्का भाई लोगों, देवियों और सज्जनों, भाइयों और बहनों, आपका HSP इन वर्ल्ड ऑफ केमिस्ट्री में सभी का स्वागत है. और कौन बनेगा 4 मार्क्स का पति, उसके लिए आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है पहला क्वेश्चन स्क्रीन पे. क्या आप सभी को दिखाई दे रहा है और बाबा HSP सुनाई पड़ रहा है? अगर हाँ तो ठोको ताली. यस. Now, is it clear? Is it clear? D. Shalvi Singh is very fast. Shalvi Singh is going for D. Sir, Baba, it is D. Oh my God. So speedily, Shalvi Singh is going for the answer. Computer G, let's wait for other students. क्या आंसर होगा? Yes. जल्दी जल्दी करवा देंगे. Yes, कौशिक जी, बहुत जल्दी. 4 Faraday displaces this much. Kareem's welcome. Kareem is very good student. Kareem, welcome. Now let's see what is the answer. Same answer दिखाया जाए. Answer दिखाया जाए. So answer is the weight. D is the answer. क्या सभी लोगों ने कर लिया? क्या सभी लोगों ने कर लिया? लेकिन फिर भी हम आपको explain करेंगे. See this question. Let me explain this question, kids. The weight of silver at this, the hint. First of all, see from where we are going to get hint. Where the hint is given. Everyone, those who are not able to do, which displaces this much ml of oxygen. That is the hint given over here, my dear students. This is the hint. You know that 22.4 liter means 22.4 liter, consider gas to be an ideal gas. Consider the gas to be an ideal gas. 22.4 liter means 1 mole of gas. 1 mole O2 gas. So if I say 22.4 liters means 1 mole, so 5600. So 5600 means 22.4 liters divided by 22. So see 1 mole. So let me say this is 1 mole. So 1 mole divided by 22.4 into 5.6. Am I right? How much it will come? Let's go step by step. Those who don't know, let's move out step by step. How much it will come, kids? How much it will come? Definitely this 1 by 4. This will come out 1 by 4 mole. Now, my dear friends, how to solve this question? You have to see the reaction, because here hero is electron. Whenever we are talking about electrochemistry, means chemistry which is created by electrons. So if you see, they are writing this much O2. From where we are getting O2? That means O2 is coming out from H2O. Are you getting my point? This O2 is which displaces this much of O2. So my dear students, can we say how many electrons are involved? If you see this one oxygen, so if I say twice of H2O, so can I write O2? Now in twice of H2O, how many H plus are there? Definitely 4 H plus are there, and 4 H plus are there, 4 electrons are there. Can you write this equation? Is this equation clear to all of you kids? Yes, sir. So how many electrons are involved in this equation? So definitely 4 electrons are involved. How many electrons? 4, because O2. Now for 1 mole O2, this is 1 mole. For 1 mole O2, how many electrons are required? 4 electrons. But we are provided with 1 by 4 mole O2. So I can say 1 by 4. So I will say divided by 4. There also you have to divide by 4. So this is coming out to 1 electron. Is it clear? That means this much oxygen is how many electrons are responsible? Only 1 electron. This you could have done in your brain, in the air. Air में भी आप कर सकते थे. आप इस बात को air में कर सकते थे. Now we know one formula that Q is equal to NF. कितना number of electrons involved है उतना Faraday. Simply, how many electrons are involved? 1. So 1 Faraday. Here 1 Faraday. Now we know that silver is Ag plus 1 electron gives Ag, and the atomic weight of Ag is 108. Now you can see 1 electron is involved in this balance equation. So definitely Q is equal to NF. That means for this reaction, 1 Faraday is the answer. Nice explanation, kids. Everything is clear. So 108 will be the answer. This you could have done in the year. 11. Kareem, just to let me know, Baba has explained each and everything without missing even a single point. Do let me know. Now, let's move to another question. Let's move out to another question, my dear students. Let's see what's that question. The question is, oh, this is your question. Can you see? The question is visible to all of you. On your screen, here is the question of all NEET 2013. This is a question of NEET 2013. Is it visible, kids? Now let me zoom in a little bit. If you need, then I can zoom in. Now the visibility is more. Now try to answer it. The answer of question number 3. बेहतरीन क्वेश्चन है नीट का ये. देखते हैं कितने लोग कर पाएंगे. Fast kids. Baba is waiting for your answer speedily. Kareem, Tejashwin, Visham, 11, everyone. Sahana, do let me know what is the answer of this question. Baba is waiting for your answer. I will explain from the scratch. Each and everything I will explain from the scratch, kids. Quick. B. Salvi Singh is going for B. Kareem is going for B. Dr. Anis is going for B. Let's see whether B is the correct answer or not. My dear students, let's solve it. Baba is going to solve it. Wait and watch. Zn is giving Zn2+. This is undergoing oxidation. Zinc is undergoing oxidation. So can I write Zn is giving Zn2+, that is undergoing oxidation, and for they have given the value for reduction. See, Zn2 plus 2 electron E0 is equal to this. So reduction potential is coming out this. My dear student, that is the point to be noted. See, if they are giving Zn2 plus 2 electrons negative gives Zn, that is the SRP value, and SRP value is given as minus 0.76 volt. Can you tell me what should be the SOP value? Do let me know in the chat section. Then the SOP value will come out. Just the sign will get changed. Plus 0.76. Is this point clear to all of you or not? Do let me know. Is this point clear to all of you? No? All of you, this point is clear? If yes, do let me know in the chat section. Without any mistake, you have to do this. Without any mistake. Now, the second point, Ag2O. That means Ag is plus. Here, Ag is plus, and that is giving this Ag, and its value is 0.34. That means Ag plus, taking one electron, is giving Ag solid, or you can write it like Ag plus Gibbs Ag, and the value is 0.34 volt. 0.34 volt. My dear students, once your basic concepts are clear, you could have done this in the air, but I'm a teacher. I will tell you from the scratch. That's my duty, right? Now, these are the two reactions. Now, my dear students, the whole reaction you can write like this, that Zn solid Ag plus aqueous is giving Zn2 plus aqueous and Ag solid. Am I right? But remember one thing. Now what they are asking, the cell potential will be simple, kids. E cathode minus E anode. Now see, E cathode minus E anode. If I say E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Now remember that if I'm saying this, both the values should be in SRP, standard reduction potential. If both the values are SRP, then only we can say E cathode minus E anode, E right minus E left. So E cathode, cathode means who is cathode? See, who is cathode? The one who is undergoing reduction, the cell reaction. This cell reaction you could have written like this: Zn, scientific notation, Zn2 plus, solid, aqueous, salt bridge. Now Ag plus, aqueous, Gibbs Ag. So we call it right, we call it left, people call it right minus left, some people also call it E right minus E left, and they are searching for this formula. Both are in SRP value, SRP, SRP. Now who is right? Cathode. This is cathode, and its SRP value is given how much? 0.34. That is given 0.34 minus SRP of anode. SRP of anode is given how much? SRP of anode is given minus 0.76. Now minus will become minus into minus. Minus into minus will become 2, let me know, plus. So the value will come out 6 4 10 और 7 3 10 11, 1.1 volt. Is it clear? So the answer is second. You could have done it in another way. You could have solved it in another way. See how you could have gone like E cell is equal to, now cathode, E cathode, that is SRP value, plus E anode, that is SOP value. So we know that its cathode value was given how much? Cathode was given 0.34 and that was given 0.76. So it will come out 1.1 volt. If everything is clear, I want to say green signal that yes, SOP value. You could have done like this, or if you don't want to do this, you could have done with second approach. This is your second approach. You can apply third approach. Let me tell you, this is the second approach. You could have gone with third approach. What is the third approach? Now E cell is equal to E anode minus E cathode, but here both should be in what? Both should be in what? SOP, 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 SOP. Now see, E anode SOP was given 0.76 minus E cathode SOP, the sign will change, so minus 0.34, minus into minus plus 1.10 volt will be the answer. By 3 ways I have explained, kids, right? 3 approaches I have applied just to give the clarity of the formula so that everyone can understand. Kids, clear? मजा आ रहा है? सबको अच्छा लग रहा है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? पहले बताओ. I want to see your views. I want to see कि 3 approaches मैंने लगाई, किसी को कोई formula याद है, किसी को कोई formula. Some people are remembering one formula, some people are knowing another formula. We should get concept clarity. That is our motive. 11 clear, very good. Now kids, one Thasu question, very good question. See, this question is really awesome, kids. This question is a really awesome question. Let's see Ames question. This is Ames question. Let's see who can answer it. Kareem's, how you are feeling? मजा आ गया, समझ आएगा. Wow, मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा. Shall we sing? Kareem, you have given answer very quickly, but you are enjoying or not? मजा आ रहा है, really enjoying. Now let's see how many of you can answer this question. Nitish, welcome, 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 welcome. Sir, I was your student 2000. Wow. Kajal, 2090. Alan, I know. I have seen you on Facebook. Thank you, Kajal. At that time, you were very thin, but you have become now. Yeah. I still remember, Kajal. Now to you must have got it that Baba remember your face. You were very thin, very thin. Now answer, gets answer. Let's see who will give. Kareem is going for 2. बाकी लोगों का वेट कर रहा हूं, कौन आंसर देगा, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. लेट्स सी बच्चा लोग. Awesome question, awesome question. Awesome. Sham is going for 1. 2 kids with different answers. देखना है किसका सही होगा. Who is going to give the correct answer? Final MBBS. काजल, बच्चों को कुछ गाइड करो. काजल, I still remember Kajal. Very good. Shalvi Singh is also going for A. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer, kids. Now, let me show you the answer. It's a time to show you the answer, kids. And the answer is first. तो किसका सही हुआ, किसका सही हुआ, किसका गलत हुआ? Kareem has given 11 has also gone for A. UV also gone for A. Let's see how to do it. Let's see how to do this question. Are you ready to see? Now, I told you electron is the hero. Electron is the hero of this chapter. Write down H2O2. H2O2. First of all, show me green signal who have given the correct answer. Though those who have given wrong, fire. I want to check how much time should I give to this question. कितने लोगों का सही हुआ, कितने लोगों का गलत हुआ? Either green signal or fire. I want to see that in the chat section. Now, H2O2, O2. So can I write O2? Now, twice of H. So I will write twice of H plus. Now 2H plus will get neutralized by 2 electrons. Am I right or not? First of all, do let me know. Is this reaction balanced or not? Tell me, is this reaction balanced or not? Charge wise, atom wise. Charge and atom, no charge. 2 plus 2 minus no charge. Oxygen 2, 2. Hydrogen 2, 2. This is balanced. Do let me know, is this reaction balanced? First of all, you have to see, you are supposed to write down the balanced reaction. Balanced reaction. You are supposed to write down balanced reaction. Balanced means atoms and charges must be balanced. Atom and charge must be balanced. Now from this balanced reaction, who is the hero? Hero. It's the hero for solving question. It's a electrochemistry. So electron is our hero. Now, you see 2 electrons are required. Now see, you can see 2 electrons. So I know one thing, that Q is equal to what? Q is equal to NF. N is the hero. Number of electrons involved in this reaction. Now see, what is the molecular weight of this? Molecular weight 2 into 1 plus 16 2s are 16 into 2. 16 or what? How much? 1 oxygen's weight is 16. 16 into 2. So total it is coming out how much? Do let me fast, kids. You have to, I don't know maths. Baba don't know maths. So you have to write down in the chat how much. 16 2 ja 32. 32 plus 2. 34 gram. 34 gram. Okay, my dear students. If I am writing here 34 gram, that can you, before solving this question of Ains, if they would have asked how many molecules of H2O2 are there, in place of this question, if your NEET is going to ask this exam, the question, if the NEET examiner is going to ask this question, that right now, if you're writing 34 gram, that means how many molecules of H2O2 are there? How many molecules of H2O2 are there? Do let me know. If by chance examiner is asking how many molecules of H2O2 are there, let me check it out that you are just writing it or you are applying your brain. Let's see who is the first one to write down. My question is, right now I have written this reaction. I have written 34 gram. That means how many molecules of H2O2? We are talking about how many molecules of H2O2. That's my question. Kids, not only applying formula is my priority. I want to give you the concept. Yes, shall be Singh is correct. Right now, we are writing it for 1 mole. 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole. That means 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules, because these many molecules will have this much of weight, because 1 molecule's weight should be 34 AMU. 1 molecule's weight must be 34 AMU. Right? Are you getting my point? Any type of question the examiner can ask. If the 1 molecule's weight is, if 1 molecule's weight is 1 molecule of H2O2 is weighing 34 AMU, atomic mass unit, or U, unified mass. So 1 Na molecules, or you can 6.02322 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. That means it should be 34 AMU. In place of AMU, I can write 1 upon 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 grams, and this multiply with 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So what will cancel out? This will cancel out and you will get answer to be 34 grams. So AMU is very, very important. It holds a hell lot of weightage. How many of you got it? Right now, I'm not just explaining the question, kids. Try to understand what is happening, because examiner can frame out any type of question. Am I right, kids? How many of you got it? Although right now it has nothing to do with this question, but examiner can frame out any question. 11, have you got it? A new thing, you got it? Number of people are confused in this. Number of people are remaining confused. Now, solving this question is very easy. That means right now we are having 2 Faraday. That is equal to 2 Faraday. If I'm saying 2 Faraday, then we are getting 34 gram. So whatever we want to calculate, we are for 17 gram. 17 gram. We know that 34 gram requires 34 gram of H2O2 requires 2 Faraday. So we are wanting for how much? 17. How to convert into 17? Either you can apply unity method, or how to make it 17 divided by 2. If you are dividing it by 2 over here, divided by 2 over here, maths will say nothing has happened. Taraju method, balancing method. So 2 Faraday, 2 by 2, we got just 1 Faraday. So 1 Faraday is the answer. If you have applied unitary method, how to solve it? Unitary method, if you have gone with the unitary method, then what you are going to do? 34, 2 Faraday, 1 gram, 2 Faraday by 34, 17 gram. So answer is 2 Faraday by 34 into 17. So it's a lengthy method. Answer will be same. Same answer you will get, but it's a lengthy method. Are you getting my point? It's a lengthy one, but it's a short one. This I call it Taraju method. In the examination, apply Taraju method. It will save your time. Don't go for a unitary method. This is a unitary method. Now kids, how is Baba's? Yeah, today all the questions which have been asked in NEET or AIMS. Kajal, thank you kids. Now do let me know, have you ever seen a teacher solving full question up to the answer with a number of methods? Kareem, 1111, Sahana, Kajal, just do let me know. Everyone, just do let me know, have you ever seen a teacher solving the whole question and really with a number of methods? Now, another question. Thank you. Now, next question. On your screen. This though we have done. This is very simple. All India PMT 2015. This though you can do directly theoretical question. It's a theoretical question. Thank you, 1111. Thank you. Sri Krishna, Shreya, Arey Shreya, how I can forget you? Shreya, welcome, Shreya, welcome. Now, fast. Its answer is, do let me know in the chat section what's the answer, kids. Fast, so that I can proceed towards another question. Jaldi se batao. Fourth is the correct answer. Kareem's fuel cell is the correct answer. Definitely, this is the correct answer. Fuel cell. Now, next question. Moving towards another question, my dear students. Here is another question on your screen. Wow, really awesome. AIMS 2015. AIMS 2015. Let's see how many of you can solve this question. Kids, try it out. Then Baba will let you know how to do this question. Then Baba will tell you. Yes, fast. Shreya, Shalvi Singh, Kareem, Sahana, Surya Buddha is missing. I don't know where Surya Buddha is. Jyoti is also missing. But quickly do it. Kids, I want to see the answer in the chat section. Then I will solve it. 1111 is going for B. Varun is going to give the answer. Rest of other students, do let me know what should be the answer. Kids, fast. Shalvi Singh is also going for B. Hey, computer ji, what's the correct answer? Show. Yeah, congratulations. B is the correct answer. Now I will solve it. Let's see. Baba is going to solve the same question and let's see how to solve the question. Now, my dear students, if you see what are the values, Mg, Mg2 plus. Now let me go over there. Question was, your question is fuel cell, Mg, Mg2 plus, twice of Ag like this, E naught cell is given this, then what will be the value of E cell for the above reaction? E naught they have given. Now my dear students, whenever such type of question is coming, always write down the Nernst equation. But while writing Nernst equation, Nernst equation, you will make a mistake. So don't write Nernst equation. Before writing Nernst equation, you are supposed to write down the balance reaction. Now, my dear students, so that no error should happen. So the basics are, basic thing is that, remember that, write down Mg solid gives Mg 2 plus aqueous plus 2 electrons, because tu mera hero, electron is my hero, otherwise marks will be 0. Remember that, electron is my hero, otherwise marks I will get 0 if I'm not giving focus to hero. Hey, my hero. Now, Ag. Ag plus, that is aqueous, is accepting one electron to give Ag, solid. Now, my dear friends, let me tell you one thing. When you go to the market and suppose you Ramu bought one telegram, oh my God, thank you, Sana. My team, please pin the telegram link. My team, can you hear me? My team. Now, Champa has gone to the market. Champa has gone to the market, and Champa bought number of things in her bag. Number of things. Now tell me, the colony people will see how much amount of rupees she has given to the shopkeeper, or they will only be able to see what she has bought. Or Champa has bought the car. Champa has bought number of things. They will be able to see the money or just the things. With the eyes, with their open eyes, they will be able to see the money involved, or they can see the things only. Money, just to see the money, you have to apply your brain. Oh my God. She has bought fruits. Champa bought fruits, whereas Pandu bought one car, Ferrari car. So people will say, oh, that means Pandu is having lot of money. Then they will start talking about that. Pandu is having too much money. Pandu is a rich guy. Am I right? So they will start thinking about money, and Baba is telling you, money is like electron. Electron is hero. Baba always says that electron is like money. So always try to see the money. Everything will get solved, whether it is physical chemistry or it is organic, inorganic. Remember, electron is the hero. Now see, money should not be visible. In this reaction, there are two electrons and here only one electron. What you are supposed to do? Only atoms should be visible. Atom is like human beings. I've told you. I've always telling you, keep on telling you, atoms, Baba is teaching, atoms like human beings, and electrons like money. The analogy I'm always giving you, human beings and electrons like money, electron like money. So focus, the electrons should not be visible, only atoms should be visible. So what I'm supposed to do? Do let me know in the chat section what I'm supposed to do. मुझे क्या करना चाहिए कि electron नजर नहीं आए. So multiply the whole equation, this whole equation by 2. Twice of Ag plus aqueous, twice of electrons, and twice of Ag solid. So electron and electron will cancel out. Electron and electron will cancel out. So now you can write the balanced reaction in this way. You will get Mg solid plus twice of Ag plus aqueous, Gibbs twice of Ag solid, and Mg2 plus aqueous and twice of Ag solid. This is the balanced reaction. Now you are in a situation of writing the Nernst equation. Now let me go to another page so that we have got twice of what? Do let me know. There we have got what? We got Mg solid. Mg solid plus twice of Ag plus aqueous. We got Mg2 plus aqueous, twice of Ag solid, and the solid's active mass is how much? If any entity is solid, then it's solids. This is concentration, fugacity. We call it fugacity. or the concentration. The solution is very, very dilute. We say concentration. So for solids, it's 1 unity. So no need to indicate the solid. And remember the hero was how much? Hero was the value 2. Now write down the Nernst equation. I'm taking too much time, but I'm trying to tell you. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n. N is 2. The value of n is 2. Log base 10. This is solid. Leave it. The concentration of Mg2 plus upon the concentration of Ag plus, and the stoichiometric coefficient will go up. How many have you written this Nernst equation? I took too much time. But while writing Nernst equation, how many of you are getting confused that here it should be ln, or there should be minus sign or plus sign? How many of you are getting confused? I'm not just solving one question. Baba is not just solving one question. Baba is taking entire electrochemistry so that all the doubts should get clear. Tell me, how many of you are getting confused in your exam that minus sign will be there? This thing, at this point you are getting confused. This point, and this should be ln, this should be ln or log base 10. How many of you are getting confused over here? Tell me, then I will make it possible. Get Sri Krishna Shreya. You know, Baba, almost a month ago, he would complete in March, but is still cancelling classes, and yourself, even if, oh my God. Thank you. Will you tell this thing to everyone, Shreya? Shreya, will you say this thing to everyone, to all the batch mates, that yes, Baba, who is Baba? Baba is a genuine person. Now see, if you are getting confused in writing this equation, then see, go to thermodynamics. You will get all the answers. Thermodynamics. What thermodynamics says? Jijja noti delta G is equal to delta G naught positive roti ln Q. Jijja noti positive roti ln Q. Jijja noti positive roti ln Q. Remember this slogan, poem. Jijja noti, my cool tube. I was talking about you only. I have told you that my cool tube is missing. Jijja noti positive roti ln Q. And remember that delta G is equal to minus N times F E cell. This is one formula. Remember that. Now keep the value of delta G over here. You will get delta G is equal to minus NFE cell. Here minus N times FE naught cell. Now plus RT ln Q. Now what I'm supposed to do? I will divide by, because I need E cell, minus NF. Now what I will get? Kids, do let me know what I will get. What Baba will get. This will cancel out. And this will come over here. So what's the answer? What is the Nernst equation? Your Nernst equation will come E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF. Now ln Q. Now we know that ln X is what? We know one thing, that ln X is equal to 2.303 log base 10x. So put over here, you will get E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF. Now here 2.303. Now this ln will convert into log base 10 Q. Now this value, if you multiply this whole value, if you multiply RT 2.303 and Faraday, 1 Faraday 96500, so you will get this is the Nernst equation. Now by chance in the examination, if you have forgotten anything, you can do the derivation. No need to cram it out, kids. Thermodynamics is the base of everything. So from thermodynamics, Baba has gone to over there. You are liking it. Baba's chemistry. Whether we talk about organic chemistry, whether we talk about inorganic chemistry, whether we talk about physical chemistry or maths, solving mathematically, Baba is the hero. Yeah, this will come out. This value will come out 0. This value will come out 0.0591. This value will come out. Kareem, Shreya, Baba, when will the second part of aromatic compounds mind map? Very soon I will give in this week. In this week only. Neeraj Sai, welcome, 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 welcome. Now, I will give the roadmap at night or early in the morning. Right now, should I keep the value? Once I know this, can I keep the value? Now see, this question was very simply just see the value. They are asking, then what will be the value of E cell? Now see, E naught cell is 3 point. Here I will write 3.177. Can I write 3.177? 0.059 upon 2. 2 hero. This hero already I got 2. Log of Mg2 plus is 1 into 10 raised to the minus 2. Here I will write 1 into 10 raised to the minus 2. 1 into 10 raised to the minus 2. And this I will write 1 into 10 raised to the minus 4. Here I will write 1 into 10 raised to the minus 4. 10 raised to the minus 4 into 2. How much it will become? 10 raised to the minus 4 into 2. 10 raised to the minus 8. Oh my God. 10 raised to the minus 8. And there 10 raised to the minus 2. Minus 8 will go up. Will become 8. 8 minus 2. 6. I will get 6 over there. And log 10 raised to the power 6. Log 10 raised to the power 6. How much? Yeah, that you will get, that you will get, that you will get. Now what you're supposed to do then what you're supposed to do then multiply that 6 with 0.059, or you can say this is 0.06 divided by 2, 0.03, 0.03 into 6. So you can say 3 into 10 is for minus 2 into 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 into 10 is for minus 2, 0.18. 0.18. So subtract from 3.17, 0.183 is coming. Baba has solved it. Solve it in the air. Baba has solved it in the air. See, Baba has written this much, but Baba has solved the question in the air. Try to solve with me. Or should I write it? See, E naught cell is 3.17. This value 0.06 divided by 2, 0.03. Now this 10 is for minus 2, 10 is for minus 4. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8 will go up. 10 is for 8, minus 2, 10 is for 6. Log 10 is for 6 is 6. 6 multiplied by 0.03, 0.18. 3.18 minus 0.83. Answer is in the air. थोड़ा जूम कर दो. ओके, थोड़ा जूम कर देते हैं. ये देखो, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं था. This was the question and it's over here. Just see, this was the question, right? This was the question. Now, can we solve it in the air or should I write down? Should I write down? First, let me write down how I have solved it, because rest of the other students, they won't be able to understand. So see, I know the Nernst equation. What is that? What is that? Nernst equation is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n, that is value for this question is 2, log base 10, concentration for that is Mg2 plus upon concentration of Ag plus square. The values were given. So E naught cell was given 3.177 minus this, we can say approximately 0.06. So divided by 2, 3 log base 10. This concentration was given 10 raised to power minus 2 and this is given 10 raised to power minus 4 square. So this will come out 3.17, or you can round it off, 3.18 minus 0.03. This will go up. So log 10 raised to power minus 4, 2s are 8, will go up. So 10 raised to power minus, how much it will come? It will go up, 10 raised to power 6. Log 10 raised to power 6 is 6. So 3.18 minus 0.03 into 6. So 3.18 minus 6 3s are 18. So 0.18. So subtract. So it is coming out approximately 3.30 volt. So this you could have solved it in the air. Baba has solved it in the air. Everyone, what I was telling you in the air, it's over here. Hey, night slogan. What I was telling you in the air, it's over here. What I was telling you in the air, what Baba was telling you in the air, it's over here. What H.S.P was telling you in the air, it's over here. What H.S.P was telling you in the air, it's over here. So, right? Is it clear? Is it clear? Solving questions is not the only thing. To understand the whole theory, to understand how to solve the question, how to do it without any error, that is the most important thing. Rhyme, yeah, it's rhyme. When H.S.P is what H.S.P was solving in the air, after long solving, it's over here. What H.S.P sir was solving in the air, after a long solving duration, it's over here. Now, see. Next question. Here is another question. Just see to it. I would like to see, it's a AIM 2015 question. It is AIMS 2015 question. Let's see who is able to solve it. Baba is waiting. This is the AIMS question, kids. Take care and solve it properly. Everyone, solve it properly. Fast, kids, fast. Make it quick. Karim is going for 2. 11 is going for 4. Let's see who is right, who is wrong. Now, let me solve it. Let me solve it. Rest of others, what are you doing, kids? You are sitting in front of Baba H.S.P. Solve it, everyone. Think it to be your exam. Shall we sing is going for 4th. Let me see what others are going with. Shreya is going for 2. Sham is going for 3. All the options are marked, kids. You can see everyone is going for different answer. That means this question holds a hell lot of weightage. This question holds a hell lot of weightage. Should I solve it, kids? Should Baba solve it for you? Do let me know. Baba is going to solve it for you. See, if electrode potential of this much copper is this much volt, let me see what they have written. What actually they have written, let me check it out. They have written that from here what I can get the knowledge that Cu2 plus aqueous plus 2 electrons giving out Cu solid. Am I right? Is this reaction balanced or not? Tell me, is this reaction balanced or not? Everyone just do let me know in the chat section. So balanced. And the value of this reduction, this could also be written like this. We can also write the equation like Cu2 plus aqueous. The scientists, they are writing like this, Cu solid, and the value for this is 0.32 volt. 0.32 volt. If I multiply this volt by 10, not by 10, by 100, it will become 32. 32 are teats. In scissor, canions, premolar, molar, 2, 1, 2, 3, dental formula. Or if I say bryophyta, rixia, markensia, peristomial teats, 32. Sola duni 32. 32 is really awesome thing. So this is SRP value. I can say this is standard reduction potential value of this. Now, then what will be its E naught RP? They are writing E naught RP. So what is the relation? What is the relation? So relation is simple. Relation is E Cu2 plus Cu is equal to E naught Cu2 plus Cu and C minus 0.059 upon hero, 2 electrons. This is our hero. Hero will come over here. 2 log base 10, log of the thing which is on right hand side will go up. Remember that Cu solid will come up and Cu2 plus concentration will come down. Remember that. Is it clear? You can write this equation by just changing the sign. If this is going up, the minus into minus will become plus. So I'm writing that plus over here. Then the reaction will turn out E Cu2 plus Cu is equal to E naught Cu2 plus Cu plus divide 0.06 by 2 plus 0.03 log of Cu2 plus concentration 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. It was over here 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So it will go up 10 raised to the power minus 2. How much it will become? 10 raised to the power minus 2. That is the question, kids. 10 raised to the power minus 2. How much it will become? 10 raised to the power minus 2, because this is 10 raised to the power minus 2. If I'm making it up, it will go up. Or I could have done one thing. I could have done this in this way also, like keeping minus sign over here and putting 0.03 over here and keeping it upper side and downside. Then this 10 raised to the power minus 2 will remain. 10 raised to the power minus 2 will go up and this will come down, and its value is 1 and its value is 10 raised to the power minus 2. So I can write log 1 upon 10 raised to the power minus 2. Now, if I make this thing go up, it will become how much? It will become 10 raised to the power 2. So, E naught is given 0.32, and this is minus 0.03. This will go up 10 raised to the power 2. Log 10 raised to the power 2 is how much? Log 10 raised to the power 2 is 2. So, can I write here 2? Can I write here 2, my dear student? Just to let me know. Can I write here 2? Do let me know, is it right? Or should I write here -2? Do let me know, should I write here -2 or should I write here +2? Do let me know, kids. Should I write here -2 or +2? Everyone just do let me know. -2 or +2? -2 or +2? Here, this is going up, so will become 2. This minus sign will remain minus or plus. Do let me know, kids. I want to see in the chat section. Let me remove it. I want to see whatever I have written is right or wrong. Do let me know, kids. I want to see your preference, that what you are thinking, this is right or wrong. Is it right or wrong, kids? This is right here. This divided by this is coming out 0.03 log 1 upon 10 to the power -2. If you make it shift over there, it will become what? 10 to the power 2, and log 10 to the power 2 will become 2. Then how much will be the answer? Do let me know what should be the answer, kids. How much should be? What should be the answer then? Then do let me know what should be the answer of this question. Then what should be the answer of this question? Do let me know, kids. Oh, kids, we have done one mistake. In this question, we have done one mistake. See what mistake we have done. One mistake, big mistake, kids. Everyone has done big mistake. Ask me what's that mistake. Everyone just ask me what is a mistake. One big mistake. That's why everyone will get failed in this question. Everyone will get failed. What is that mistake? Do let me know what's that mistake. The mistake is that we have not read this question properly. We haven't read this question. We haven't read this question properly. Read this question properly. Remember that. And if you are not reading any question properly and you are start solving it, are huge time wastage. Remember that. If you're not reading out question properly and you start solving, the whole time will get wasted and our seat will go away. We won't get, don't do this mistake. Don't do this mistake in the examination. What is the mistake? Now, no one is able to find out the mistake, and that's why some people were going for 0.38, some people were going for 0.28. People have marked this question, this answer also. People have marked this answer also, and this answer was marked because of the mistake, because of the mistakes. Kids, yes, you got it, Jyoti, you got it. So remember that, kids, read the question properly. And I have solved it for those students, those who have got this answer. This answer. Why they have got that answer? Because of the mistake, because they have not read it out properly. Read it out properly. Now see, kids. Now see. Let me tell you this question once again and just see to it. Everyone just see to it. Here, this is the answer. Why is this is the answer? Why this one is the answer? Let me solve it. How many of you want that Baba should solve it for you? Kids, do let me know how many of you want that Baba should solve it for you. How many of you want that Baba should solve it for you? Kids, do let me know. Hey kids, just do let me know how many of you want that Baba should solve it for you. Now see, everyone, just see. The value is given, this value is given if electrode potential, this electrode potential is given, that E cell is given. What is given? E cell is equal to 0.32. It's not E naught cell, because whenever we have solved hundreds of questions and we are always thinking that what we have done, we are always thinking what we were doing in that way only we are trying to solve the question. We are not focusing what the examiner has given. Now, examiner is asking E naught. Examiner is interested in E naught. That means we know very well that E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon 2 log of Cu2 plus on that side reduction. So Cu solid over here and Cu2 plus concentration over here, right? Now, my dear students, this value they have given is 0.32. This value they have given, and they are asking this value. E naught cell, they are asking. This will become approximately 0.03 because 0.06 divided by 2.3. Now, log of this concentration is solid, so Cu solid will be equal to 1. So 1 upon, and this value is given 10 raised to power minus 2, 10 raised to power minus 2. So 0.32 is equal to E naught cell minus 0.03, and this will become plus log 10 raised to power 2, log 10 raised to power 2, that is 2. So 0.32 is equal to E naught cell is equal to minus 0.02, and log 10 raised to power 2 is 2. So 0.32 is equal to E naught cell is equal to 6 minus 0.06, but we are interested in E naught cell. This will go that side. So 0.32 plus 0.06 is equal to E naught cell, and this value is, say, 6 plus 2, 8. So 0.38, that is your answer, is equal to E naught cell. How many of you are happy that yes, Baba has saved your life? Baba has saved your life. Maria, welcome. Maria, welcome. Salvi Singh, you are liking that the way no one is teaching what mistake you will do in the examination. So everyone is just solving the question. No one is telling you what type of mistake you will do in the examination. So this question was simple, but yes, 11 you have written correctly. It's an anaconda question that if you're not focusing on reading, then it will kill will give negative marks. It will give negative marks, right? So really, how many of you are happy with Baba solving? The way Baba is teaching you physical chemistry, how many of you are liking it? Sahana, just write few words that Baba, the way Baba is telling you what mistake you are not supposed to do. Baba's acting, you're liking Baba's acting, that Baba has created whole aura, what type of mistakes. Arvind, that's favorite. Okay, then let's move towards another question. Here is your another question. This is homework. You have to tell me in the comment section this question's answer. I want to see in the comments, right? So I'm not going to disclose this question's answer. Let me move towards another question. This is also NEET 2016. NEET 2. NEET 2 means in year 2016 they took two examinations. NEET 2 means twice, and that was very good question. This was very good question. Very good question. This also I would like to see in the comments. Two questions are for your homework. Homework. This is homework question. As soon as you are going to solve it, I would like to see in the comment section. If you're not able to do, Baba will let you know. Now, here is another question. Tell me what's the answer. Sahana, see Sahana, what Sahana has written. You're wonderful, Baba. You are always see things from students' perspective, because you are not only an educator, you are our teacher parent. Yes, no one will teach you what mistake you will do. That was the question where all the options were marked. The previous question, people have marked all the options. Am I right or not? First of all, do let me know. Before solving this question, just do let me know. Previous question was solved by everyone. Everyone has given the answer, but some were going for A, somebody was going for B, and some other were going for C and D. Everyone marked the answer. According to them, everyone's answer was correct, but you got negative marks. Most of the people, they got negative marks. Now, this question on your screen in front of you. A very good question. NEET 2 2016. Once again, I would like to say in 2016, twice they have taken NEET and the second paper was tough. But I don't think that anything is tough. Try to solve it and let's see. C. Bull is going for C. Let me check it out what others are writing. Quick kids, we have to move fast so that we can solve all the questions of NEET and AIMS. We can solve all the questions of NEET and AIMS. Quick kids, quick. Make it out fast. If you're not able to solve it, just do let me know. Baba will let you know. Fast, kids, fast. Now, you solve. Okay. So, people are going for C or Baba will say. Now, remember that how many types of cations and how many types of anions are there in the electrolytic tank. So, okay, Sahana, don't worry. Baba will make it very strong. Do let me know, this is your electrolytic tank. How many types of chlorides and how many types of anions are there? First question. My first question to the public is that in this electrolytic tank, for this question, how many types of cations and how many types of anions are there? 11 is going for D. Let me know, kids, fast, that in this electrolytic tank, how many types of cations and how many types of anions are there? While I am drawing this electrolytic tank, you have to tell me how many types of cations and how many types of anions are there. Just to let me know, kids. Before solving this question, do let me know two types of both. Sahana is saying two types of cations and two types of anions. Other people, do let me know for this question, how many types of cations and how many types of anions. कितने तरह के cation हैं और कितने तरह के anion दिए हुए हैं. Everyone. Yeah, Salvi Singh is correct. Maria is correct because it is molten. Sahana, take care. It's not aqueous. It's given molten, so only Na plus and chloride is there and Na plus. This is anode. Anode is positive terminal in the battery. Cathode is negative terminal during electrolysis. It is just opposite to electrochemical cell. Now, cation will go towards cathode. Cation will go towards cathode and anion will go towards anode. At anode, oxidation always takes place. Whatever the type of cell, oxidation always takes place at anode. So, how the oxidation will take place? Let's see. The chloride will release electrons. Chloride will release electrons. So, chloride will undergo oxidation. Oxidation means loss of electron. So, it will form chlorine and then one electron. So, multiply by 2. If you multiply it by 2, then 2. So, it is, you can say, you can write like this, twice of Cl negative undergoing oxidation. It is acting as an oxidizing agent, reducing agent undergoing oxidation, acting as a reducing agent. It is giving Cl2 gas plus 2 electron, my hero, and this is the gas at anode. Now, my dear students, remember always two formulas. Wherever those formulas you have to apply, that's your choice. choice is yours. One formula is Q is equal to NF, number of Faraday. Another formula is Q is equal to IT. Whatever the bill is coming, house electricity bill is coming, that depends on to what ampere current for how many seconds. Just like how many marks you will get, how many questions in how much time. What is the work? Work is equal to force into displacement, always the product. Q is equal to IT. Now, what they are asking? They are asking the time required. That means time. So time is required. So we have to use the second formula, not the first formula. Q is equal to IT. Now, the time required to produce these many moles of chlorine gas using a current of this ampere. So my dear students, we know that. We know very well what? From this formula we can say that Q is equal to IT. I is the current in amperes and T is the time in second. So what you are getting? This is NF. So we can correlate it. Can we correlate that NF is equal to IT? Are you getting my point, kids? Are you getting my point? Number of Faradays. So see, if we are using two electrons, we are getting one. That means we are using, if we are using 2 Faraday electricity, we are getting 1 mole of chlorine gas, 1 mole Cl2 gas we are getting. Is that clear? Now, if I say 2 Faraday is getting 1 mole and we are in need of 0.1 mole, so can from here this equation can I write? This is giving information that for 0.1 mole Cl2 we need how much Faraday? 0.2 Faraday. Am I right, kids? Are you getting this point? Everyone, I'm solving it this for you. Otherwise, what Baba can solve in the air, the result is over here. Everyone just to let me know. Now, 0.2 Faraday. That means here I can write 0.2 Faraday. Now, what they have given? This Faraday required. So, during this electrolysis, current of 3 amperes. Current is given 3 amperes. So, only what is missing? Time in seconds is missing, but they are asking in minutes, and this time is in seconds. Remember that this time is in seconds. So time will be equal to, T will be equal to, T in seconds will be equal to 0.2 divided by 3. These are seconds. I think something is wrong. Something I missed, kids. I missed out something. Do let me know. I have missed out something. Yeah. Kids, do let me know. I have missed out something. Just to let me know. Do let me know, kids. Hey everyone, just do let me know. I have missed out something in this question. Everyone, just do let me know. Yes. F is missing. F, kids, F. Remember that in the examination, the examiner will give such type of options also. There, such type of options are not given. But if you are going to miss F, then examiner will give you one slap. F is 96500. This is the charge on 1 mole electron. 96500. We are taking approximately the charge on 1 electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. The charge on 1 mole electron, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, is coming out 96500 approximately. So this much. So you can cut this point. You can cut this point with this. So it will be How much kids? It will be how much? 96500 into 0.2 divided by 3, and that is the time in second. And if you want to write down this time in minutes, what we are supposed to do? If I say time in minutes, so I am supposed to convert minutes into seconds. So divided by how much? If I want to convert minutes, seconds into minute, 1 minute is having how many seconds? 60 seconds. So what value should I divide it? I'm supposed to divide it by 60. Am I right, kids? Now solve it. How to solve it? Just see. Everyone just see, because solving is also required. 96500 into 0.2 divided by 60 into 3. But how to solve it, kids? Just see. I'm going to solve it. 0 has gone with the 0, and this 0 has gone with the 0.2. Now 6 3s and 3. This is divisible or not, kids? Now 2 3 just 6. That means 3 3 just 9. 965 divided by 9, kids. 965 divided by 9. So it is approximately coming out, you can see 100, something more than 100. Can you see, kids? No need to solve it. It is coming out a little bit more than 100, because 9 tens are 900. 9 tens are 900. A little bit more than 100. This can't be the answer. This is double. This can't be the answer. This can't be the answer. Only this is the answer. Baba's maths is how good. Baba's maths is good or not, kids? Do let me know. Baba's maths is really good or not, kids? First of all, do let me know. Baba is solving each and everything, and that's why I'm telling you this question was not tough. But NEET 2016, 2 times they have given NEET, and the calculation is big. Can you see? First mistake you can do here, in place of molten, you can consider it to be 2 cations, 2 anions. You are considering it to be aqueous. Other mistakes you can make, Faraday you will forget. Another mistake, time is given in seconds. Remember that. You can say, oh my god, time in minutes only. So they will give you options like this. If you're not remembering, this time is in seconds, and seconds should be converted into minutes. So divided by 30, that is required. Number of places, anaconda things are there. The trapping things are there. Kids really liking. Everyone, now a next question. Let me show you its answer. Its answer is, now here is another question. Just see. Once again, NEET 2016 second paper, kids. I'm telling you again. 2016, it's a really very important thing. Second paper. Electron is the hero. Yeah, electron is the hero. Now see. Second paper is dangerous one. Now try to solve it. Fast. Time is moving very fast, kids. Time is moving very fast. Try to do it speedily, kids. Right now, I have told you the formula. You can easily solve it, kids. Fast, kids, fast. Speedily do let me know the answer. Speedily. Maria is going for first. Maria Arvind is also going for first. So the correct answer is, let's see, kids. The first is the correct answer. Congratulations. First is the correct answer. Now, how many of you want to know how this answer has come? How many of you want to know how this answer has come? Now, see, everyone, how this answer has come. You can directly do it like this. We know that Q is equal to NF. They are asking number of electrons. Electrons zero delivered at cathode during electrolysis by a current of 1 ampere in this. Q is equal to NF and Q is equal to IT. So what information they have given? They have given 1 ampere in place of IA, and time they have given 60 seconds. That means we are having NF is equal to 60 seconds. The value of F we know, only N is missing, 96500, and that is 60. So what is missing? Only N. But remember, this N is what? N is number of molecules, number of electrons, or number of moles of electron. That thing I have asked in the starting. This N is number of moles of electron, or N is number of electron. That is the thing, kids. That is the $1 million question. This is the $1 million question. Is this N number of moles of electron, or molecules of electron, or number of electrons? What is this N? Remember that, my dear students, this N indicates number of moles of electron, number of moles of electron. This is the only point. So see, the value of N will come out how much? The value of N will come out 60 upon 96500. Now that means these are moles of electron, but they are asking the number of electron. They are asking for number of electrons. So can I write, this is the mole. If you are able to calculate mole, how much it is coming? How much it is coming? 0 has gone with a 0. Now this is equal to how much? This is equal to how much? These are the moles. And moles, if you want to convert into molecules, so moles, 1 mole is having 6.022 into 10 is for 23 electrons. So what will be the answer? Divide 6 by 9650 and multiply by the number of electrons, because moles, if you want to convert moles into electrons, this is the value is coming for moles. And if you want to convert moles into number of electrons, so we are supposed to multiply it by 6.022 into 10 is for 23 electrons will be the answer. Now how to solve it? That is another big problem. How to solve it, kids? Now how to solve it? Now can we do the division by 2? Can we do the division by 2? 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is and 2 25. Am I right, kids? Now 25. Now what to do? I don't know how to solve it, kids. 36. Now it's big challenge. Now you can do one thing. 36, I can take 36 and I can steal 2 power. That means 3600. That is coming more than that. One more, then there will be 10 is for 19 only. 10 is for 19 only, and this will come 4825. Now I am getting some little bit idea. I am getting a little bit idea, kids. 22 I have taken out. 6 3 into 6. Oh, this is not 36. 6 3 is 18. This is 18. Oh my god, this is 18, kids. This is 18, not 36. 6 3 is 18. 18 I have got, and I have taken 1 2 3 19. So it is 18,000, and this is, if I write 1800, that should be more than that. So give 1 0 to it, give 1 0 to it, give 1 0 to it, and make it 10 raised to 20. Now this is 4,000 and this is 1800 only. 1800 only, my dear friends. How will come out there? Divide it. What answer is coming? Divide it. Just check it out what answer is coming. How much answer is coming? Kids, do let me know. No, it's not 36. I have written 36. 18 only. 18 only. Now check it out what answer is coming, kids. Check it out. Divide it. 6 3 is 18. 18. I have taken out 2 power from here. 10 is for 20. How much it is coming? Do let me know, kids. My dear friends, this value I have written wrong. 6.023 into 10 is for 23. See the mistake. The mistake. This mistake 99% people are doing. Why this mistake they are doing? Just see this mistake, this mistake, this mistake. 99% people are doing. Why they are doing? Why they are doing? Let's see. Because we know that 1 mole is equal to 6.022. We are writing 6.022. So if we are writing 6.022, so people they are writing 10 raised power 22. And the each and everything here, not the options are not given like this, but in the exam you will definitely get trapped. Remember that this is a blender. Mistake. What is the mistake over here? Do let me know what is the mistake. What's the mistake? Mistake is that because mole we have studied in a wrong way. That's the better thing, is that never go with that value, always go like this. 1 mole is equal to 6.023, then you will definitely write 10 raised to power 23. Now from now, never write 6.022, always write 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. Are you getting my point? Develop those habits which can give you marks. Yeah, I said right, but I have written 10 raised to power 22 because I want to make it in the right way, so that you should never do mistake. This is right, 6.022. The actual value of 1 mole is what? The actual value of 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. But don't go for 22. If you are going for 22, you will write, by chance you will write over there 22. And if you're writing 22, the whole numerical will go wrong. So it's better to write here 23. So write here 23. Then you will write here 23. You will write here 23. And if you're writing it, making it 23, now everything will be okay. 23. Now I will steal one more electron. I will steal one more electron. And it is 10 raised to power 20. Now remember, make it 5. Make it 5 or make it like this. How many times it is going in this? Divide. Suppose if I make it 5, 5 3s are 5 3s are 15. So it will come out 3s are and then point. So definitely into 10 raised to power 20. How many options are given like that? 3 point something into 10 raised to power 20. No other option, only first option is given. Got it, kids? Kids, Baba is not only solving the question. Baba is not only solving the question. Baba is telling you all those things which you will mark wrong, kids. You will mark wrong. Are you getting my point? Everywhere where you are going to mistake, you are going to make a mistake, Baba is telling you what mistake, this mistake. Now the mistake has gone. Now it's okay. Got it, kids? So always from now, the value of mole, you will say what? Will you go for that value or you will go for this value? Do let me know. Which value you will go for mole? That value or this value? That is right. This is also right. Yeah, I will. सोहून आवाज तो बहुत है. Kids, my voice is proper or not? Never go for that value of mole, kids. That is right, but that will kill your marks, because here 22, here 22, and there 23. In this, here 23, and there also 23. So always from now follow this value of mole. 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Will you do that? Voice is okay. So Hoon, you see, you check your system. From my side, voice is okay. So Hoon, now another question. Have you got it, kids? Now tell me, will you always follow this Baba H.S.P's mole value? Write down in the chat section that you will always follow this value, kids. Do let me know. From now, you will always follow this value only, kids. Do let me know in the chat section. Okay. Now, Jyoti, you are asking, why this value is given. Why this value is given 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. You are asking that question. How many of you are asking that question? Why this value is given? Tell me in the chat section. How many of you are asking that? Why? Maria is also saying, just wait kids. Everyone now check the voice. Maria is also saying it's low for me. Shall we? Yeah, we are always ignoring this Avogadro's value, and that is a killer one. 6.023 10 is for 23. That can, yes. Am I right, kids? Baba is making a point, very, very small point, considering each and everything so that you should not make any mistake in the examination, right? Now, next question. Tell me what's the answer? This question. Do let me know. Baba is waiting for your answer. This is oral question. It's AIMS question, but I would like to say it's oral question. It's an oral question. You can do it in the air. You can make it out possible in the air, kids. Solve it in the air. Okay, 1111 is saying in phone it's okay, but in laptop low voice. How is it possible? In laptop it is low voice. Wait. Now check, kids. Let me make more something better. Now check, now check, now check, check. So it's very simple question, kids. Why I'm saying it's very simple? Just see how many Faradays required. KMNO4Mn. You know that KMNO4 is converting into Mn plus 2. They could have made this question. They could have made this question by writing acidic medium, and if product is not given. If they would haven't given the product, then this question would have been really good. But anyways, plus 7 is converting into plus 2. So 5 electron. Electron, you are a hero. Electron is my hero. Hero. So definitely the answer is there. Q is equal to NF. Q is equal to NF. That means 5 Faraday. 5 Faraday. 5 Faraday. This is your answer. Got it, kids? Everyone got it? Simple. Simplest question. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, isn't it? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. 5 is the answer. Next question. Oh, such a big question. But kids, remember that whenever any question is very big, that means it is very, very easy. Remember that in the examination, if the question is given big, that means it's a simple question. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy kill question. It's easy question. Now do it and do let me know what should be the answer. Everyone, mark my words. $1 million thing, kids. Do this question. Read it out properly. Shalvi Singh has given the answer. I don't know whether that answer is right or wrong, but Shalvi Singh has given the answer. Maria has also given the answer. Maria, Shalvi Singh has solved 3 times. Oh my God. Maria, now the voice is okay. Tejashwant C. Very good. Maria, now just to let me know, now the voice is okay. I have change the position of mic just to let me know that now the voice is okay. Now kids, see, if you deal with this question, let me tell you one thing. Should I solve it? Should I solve this question with the formula, or should I solve this question with the theory, or should I solve it in the air, or should I solve it by writing? Do let me know how you want that I should solve it. Without using any formula, should I solve this question? Without using Nernst equation, should I solve this question? Kids, tell me. Without using Nernst equation, should I solve this question? How many of you want that without using Nernst equation? Tell me, is it possible that without using formula, I can solve this question? And then I will tell you with the formula also. How many of you want that I should solve it in the air without using any formula, without using Nernst equation? Kids, do let me know. Fastest logical method. Okay, just see. Just see. If I say I'm having this beaker, in one beaker, let me put a zinc rod, and another beaker, let me put copper rod, right? In one beaker, let me put a zinc rod, another beaker, let me put copper rod, and let me connect it through galvanometer. Right, kids? Now, this is anode, negative terminal of the battery because electrons are produced. This is positive terminal of the battery, electrochemical cell. And here is the salt bridge. U-tape shaped tube, that is your salt bridge, right? Here is your salt bridge. Now, we are provided with a zinc rod, we are provided with a copper rod, and they are writing the zinc concentration is 0.01. Am I right, kids? Zinc concentration is Zn2 plus concentration is 0.1, and the Cu2 plus concentration is 1 molar. Right? This is your wedge. Wedge means what? Can you decode wedge? Wedge means voltaic cell, electrochemical cell, galvanic cell, or Daniel cell. Am I right? This much you know very well. Everyone knows. Do let me know. Say yes. Very good, Maria. Everyone knows. Now, this zinc is breaking down. This zinc rod is breaking down. And it is providing electron, and these electrons are moving from anode to cathode. This is your anode and that is your cathode. Am I right? Anode rod and cathode rod, and opposite direction electron is moving, electron is flowing in this direction, opposite direction. Am I right, kids? From cathode to anode. Now, my dear friends, this Cu2 plus was attracting these electrons. This Cu2 plus was attracting those electrons, and these electrons were coming speedily. Hey, I love you. Hey, my love, I love you. Just like he is a Pandu, he is a Kupandu, and this is Rani, come fast. Whatever the speedily these electrons are coming, that speedily this is current. Sorry, kids, current. I have written electrons. Sorry. Electrons are there. Current is moving in the opposite direction. I have for the current is moving in the opposite direction. Am I right? So how speedily these electrons are coming, that speedily that current will move. This much you know. Thank you, Ififi. This much you know. Till now what am I talking about? This much you know. Everyone say till now what I have written. Kids, do let me know in the chat section if the question is big. This question is big, then easy question, easy kill. Now till now what I have written, everything. Now see, now this zinc was breaking down and you were getting Zn2 plus. This is Pandu. This is Pandu. Pandu is loving electrons. But if I say this is Janu, Zn2 plus is Janu. Janu is also loving electrons. Janu is also loving electron. These electrons are moving. Janu's Rani is going to Pandu. Pandu's concentration is more. Pandu is having more love towards Rani, so the electrons are coming fast to Pandu. Copper 2 plus being attracted by electron. Speedily they are coming towards Cu2 plus. Now my dear students, that means from here to here electron are moving very fast and their current is moving. This is the only work of electrochemical cell. When the electrochemical cell is working, that if it is going toward this, we say it is a spontaneous reaction and EMF will be positive and the electrochemical cell will supply current. That when the electricity is not in our home, then our inverter becomes electrochemical cell, and once the electricity is coming, it's getting charged, reverse reaction is taking place, right? Now in the second thing what they are saying, now they changed, they made copper concentration 0.01 and they did what? That zinc concentration they made 1, they did opposite. Now in the second turn they are saying this concentration we are keeping 1 and that concentration we are keeping 0.1. So definitely Janu means Zn2 plus will have more attraction on these electrons, so these electrons won't be able to flow. If they are not able to flow with that speed, so the current will decrease, So the earlier one was better, so E1 was better than E2. Here is the answer, kids. Without Nernst equation, Baba has solved it. You are able to understand or not? Baba has not said anything. So the concentration of Cu2 plus should be more than the concentration of Zn2 plus. If you keep on increasing this concentration, this will attract more electron and the electrons will come more speedily toward this side and the current will go more speedily toward that side. This is simple thing. This is, I told you. Thank you. Now tell me, kids, this air visualization, you got it, and now this same thing I will tell you with the formula, with the Nernst equation. Just see the same thing Baba will tell you with the Nernst equation. Nernst equation is this, that E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon 2 log of base 10 concentration of Zn2 plus upon concentration of Cu2 plus. Now kids, this is minus sign and you want E cell value more, so what you reverse it, reversing it, minus will become plus. So E cell, E naught cell plus 0.059 upon 2 log of Cu2 plus concentration over here and Zn2 plus concentration over here. Now this is standard value. Now if you want more value of EMF, then this value should increase, and if you want to increase this value, this is concentration, so only you can make changes over here. If you keep on increasing this value, then this value will keep on increasing. So copper 2 plus concentration, if you increase, this value will increase. If copper concentration you decrease, this value will decrease. If Zn2 plus concentration you increase, this will decrease. If you decrease this, this will increase. Simple from the Nernst equation also. Whole electrochemistry explained. My cool tube, Jyoti, just do let me know, have you ever seen any teacher who's explaining the things without formula? Everyone just do let me know, have you ever seen any teacher that like this who is explaining the whole physical chemistry, the whole organic chemistry, the whole inorganic chemistry without using any book, without any formula? Just do let me know, have you ever seen such type of visualization? Equation method. Equation method you want to see. Now see equation method. See Arvind, equation method. Now the work of if you see electrochemical series, if you see electrochemical series, it is like now you know the reactivity of elements. Reactivity of elements is like this. Now the two elements of Daniel cell, zinc is given over here and copper is given over here. The work of zinc is to provide electron. The work of Zn is to provide electrons, So you know that these electrons will only flow from here if its concentration is less, because they are having force of attraction. So its concentration, if you decrease its concentration, then these ions will be less and the electron will freely move. The electron will start moving towards somebody else side. Zinc is giving out Zn2 plus. If you keep on decreasing the concentration of memory power, Arvind, sir, full detail में electrochemistry, wow, you are loving, really loving. Now see, this concentration should be less, then the force of attraction will decrease and the electron will move towards whom side? Because Cu2 plus is waiting for electrons. Hey, come on, I love you. So it will come over here and Cu solid will get formed. So its concentration should be more. That's why its love will be more. Its concentration should be more. And then the whole reaction will move speedily. That is Zn solid gives Zn2 plus aqueous double slash Cu2 plus aqueous gives Cu solid. This reaction will behave properly and then only a full supply of electron. This is the equation method. Kids, do let me know who asked that equation method. I have given you equation method also. Arhan, sir, full detail में कराओ electrochemistry. मजा आ रहा है क्या? Arhan, are you new? Those who are new, please subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel and like. Everyone, smash the like button, hit the like button. My dear friend, this question is really awesome. Maximum people will get failed in solving this question. Only 1 or 2 more questions because already 2 hours gone. 2 hours gone, kids. Baba, only for May 3, can you rent your brain? Maria, you are really liking. First of all, do let me know, Maria, really you are liking. You are new right now, this month. How many of you are really loving more concentration in cathode and less concentration at anode will make the electrons moving fast, so current moving fast? Really, how many of you are loving, kids, the way I'm teaching, the way I'm solving? How many of you really have fallen in love with the chemistry? Chemistry is talking with me. Chemistry should talk with you. Yes, new. Maria, have you subscribed the channel? You belong to which place? Maria, you belong to which place? Which state? Do let me know which state. ठीक है अरहान, बट आपको एक काम करना है, मैं फुल डिटेल में करा दूंगा. अरहान, आप अपने 10 फ्रेंड्स के साथ आओगे? आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हो? तभी तो, नहीं तो पता चला आप आए ही नहीं, हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, फायदा क्या होगा? कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. पहले मुझे बताओ मारिया, आप अपने 10 फ्रेंड्स को लेकर आओगे. सालवी सिंह इज सेइंग डी. केरला, मारिया यूज फ्रॉम केरला. वेरी गुड. टेल एवरीवन at least 6 to 10 friends I want to see from your side. Then whatever the chapter you want, Baba will teach. Okay, are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Maria, Arhan, bolo. Varthi, thank you. Varun Varthi, thank you. 11. Now let's see Jammu. So Arhan, आप अपने 10 फ्रेंड्स को बोलोगे कि yes, come on, बाबा के पास चलते हैं, HSP बाबा के पास. और then I will give this chapter in full detail, the solution and electrochemistry. Now see how to solve this question. My dear friends, remember that disproportionation means what? Disproportionation means the atom which is losing electron as well as gaining electron. The same atom is losing as well as gaining. The same atom is losing, same atom is losing as well as gaining electron. That is disproportionation. Are you getting my point? Gaining electron as well as losing electron. That means the same atom is undergoing oxidation as well as reduction at the same time. The same atom is undergoing oxidation as well as reduction. Now, my dear students, if the atom is in highest oxidation state, do you think it can donate electron? Bromine belongs to 7th period. Your bromine belongs to 7th period. Bromine belongs to 7th period, that is halogen. So its maximum oxidation state is, highest oxidation state is +7. If it is in +7, it can do only one thing. It can gain electron. It can't lose electron. Are you getting my point? It can just gain, can't donate. And if can't donate, can't be undergo disproportionation. Can't donate because it is not having any electron. Can't donate electron, so can't undergo disproportionation. Can't undergo disproportionation. Am I right, kids? One point is clear to all of you. Now, is it clear, kids? Now, if the atom is in lowest oxidation state, it can't gain electron because it is fully filled. So halogen is having 7 electron in the outermost shell. So if I say there is bromine negative, so it is already having 8 electrons. So can't gain electron. So can't gain electron means can't undergo disproportionation. These 2 points are clear. Kids, do let me know these 2 points are clear to all of you. First of all, if not clear, do let me know in the chat section. Then I will explain once again. No worries, kids. No worries. These 2 points are clear. Then show me green hearts. If not clear, then I will explain once again these 2 points. To donate electron, you should have money. Electron is like money. If you want to give money to a beggar, you should have money. I have told you electron is like money. If you want to give money to somebody else, you should have money. And if you want to gain money, you should have empty stomach. Otherwise, you can't gain. Right? That means if I say BrO4, just focus on BrO4. BrO4X plus 4 into -2 is equal to 0. So, and this is having negative charge, not 0, because one negative charge is there, -1. So, X is equal to +7. This is the highest oxidation state, can't undergo disproportionation. So, BrO4 negative can't be the answer. This can't be the answer. Let me put cross sign. This can't be the answer. Everyone, are you getting my point? This can't be the answer. Okay, Maria once again. Now see, Maria, This is the lifeline of bromine. Bromine's lifeline. Let me tell you, bromine's lifeline is like this. Bromine is in which group? Seventh group. Seventh group. So bromine is having 7 electrons. Bromine is having 7 electrons in the outermost orbit and the blah blah blah. 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So bromine can donate how many electrons? Maximum plus 7. If bromine is at plus 7 oxidation state, do you think that bromine can donate electron? Bromine is a beggar. In this situation, bromine is a beggar. So it can just gain electron, it can't donate electron. For donating as well as gaining, it should be in between its highest oxidation state. It should be in between highest and lowest oxidation state. So this is bromine's highest oxidation state, and bromine can gain 1 electron to become bromide Br negative. That is its 8 electrons. So -1 is its minimum oxidation state, lowest oxidation state. So neither in -1 it can undergo disproportionation, nor in +7 it can undergo disproportionation. What are the possibilities? That if it is 0, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These may be the possibilities. May undergo disproportionation. How many of you got it? That in between oxidation state, it can lose, it can gain, that depends. Now, if I say bromine is in, suppose, +5 oxidation state, so it can go toward this side also, it can go towards this side also. If it is in +3, that can go towards right also, that can go left also. Are you getting my point? Neither highest oxidation state nor lowest. Maria, clear? Maria, clear? Everyone, is it clear? Thank you, Ififi. Thank you. Now see, let me go back to the question. Now, see, this can't be the answer. And this is the minimum oxidation state. This can't be the answer. Neither this can be the answer, nor this can be the answer. These two can't be the answer. Now, remember that what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you very, very important thing related to this. Just try to understand. Just try to understand. I'm going to write over here. Everyone focus over here. This thing I will write in the box. If you really want to get rank, see what I'm going to write inside the box and try to understand. Try to understand. This is known as Latimer diagram. People call it Latimer diagram. What? This is your Latimer diagram. Latimer diagram. Very, very important. Latimer diagram. Whenever I'm going to teach you in detail electrochemistry, I will tell you what's the importance of Latimer diagram. Now see. When this is $1 million thing, Baba is going to tell you, kids, let me put a star over here. $1 million thing, Baba is going to tell you. $1 million thing. When the value of right hand direction side, when the value of right hand direction side of EMF, they are giving of EMF is more than left hand side of EMF value, disproportionation will take place. Disproportionation will take place. This is your Latimer diagram. This is the Latimer diagram says, now see, if this to can't go, if I consider this one, to its right it is 1.5 and this is 1.2, it is more. With respect to this is more value and that is less value, so this can't be the answer. Got it? Now if I consider this HBRO, if I consider HBRO, it is 1.5, it was 1.595, 1.595, this is 1.5, this is 1.595, this is more. With respect to this is more value and this is less value, so this is our answer. This is our answer because right hand side value RHS is more than with respect to its left hand side, so this is your answer, HBRO. Fourth is the answer. You got it, got it. Now if you see this one, right hand side is 1, left hand side is 1.5, this can't be the answer and this already. So kids, how many of you have studied this Latimer diagram for the first time? Do let me know how many of you are studying this thing for the first time. Baba is not only solving the questions of previous year asked questions, Baba is also A and D options were confusing. Now it's clear. Very good, Arvind. Very good. Now kids, Arvind, everyone just do let me know how many of you are studying this thing for the first time. Tell me, how many of you are studying this thing for the first time? Now, this is the answer. Now, this is also nice question. Let's see how many of you can do it. Only 1 or 2 more questions because I said I will take this class for 90 minutes only. Very good, 11. I never studied this. So come to this channel, you will get things like this. You will really get things like this. Amazing things. Baba is teaching you really amazing things. No one is taking care. Now see the question already it's asked NEET 2018. I don't think that people are, anyways, leave them. Why nobody taught this? Now this is the question, $1 million question. Already the question has come on this. You can take a screenshot. Of this Latimer diagram, and this question on Latimer diagram has been already asked. It's been already asked in NEET exam. See this Latimer diagram question already asked in NEET exam. But then also I don't know why people are playing with students' life. I don't know why people are playing with the students' life. Already you can see it's been asked in NEET exam. This Latimer diagram, that's been asked in the NEET exam, this Latimer diagram based question, and everything is given over here. Why people are not teaching, I can't understand, kids. Next question is, just see to it. Next question. Really liking everyone. That's really awesome. Do this question, kids. Fast, quick, kids. Do it speedily. Thank you, 11. Thank you. Thank you, 90. Thank you. Do let me know what's your answer. Yes, kids. Baba is waiting for your answer, kids. It will take time. You take time and just try to solve it. Let me see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Baba is waiting for your answer. This is also from NEET UG 2019. FE, thank you. Kids, if you're really loving this channel, if you're really loving the way Baba is teaching, everyone make the chat running with 100 kilometers per hour by showing star, hearts, fire, anything, whatever you are having the emojis. You can make the chat running speedily. Arvind is going for 3. Maria is also going for 3. Let's see whether the answer 3 is right or wrong. Yes, 3 is the correct answer. Now, how many of you want that Baba should solve this question for you in Baba's style? How many of you want that from the scratch, Baba should tell you each and every step so that you can see this thing in the air? This visibility should come in the air. How many of you want that? If H.S.P. Baba is here, no need to take the pen and copy. You can solve it in the air. Now let's see, everyone. So see, this is the equation. E naught cell value, they have given equilibrium constant for the reaction. Any reaction is given for a cell 1 electron. Electron is the hero. In the examination, my dear students, you won't be able to see this hero. If you are not able to see this hero, you won't be able to do anything. Hero, my hero. This 1 electron, the n value is 1. Remember that. If you are able to read out this question properly, then only you can do anything. Always search about. If you're searching about this hero, you can do anything. So the equation is E cell. We know that. I have told you from thermodynamic, E cell is equal to E naught cell. Do let me know in the chat section. What should I write? Minus 0.0591 upon n log Kc. Can I write log Kc? And this is our equilibrium constant. This is the equation. If you know this equation, then you can do anything. If you don't know this equation, you won't be able to do anything, kids. So remember that this equation is very, very important. Once you know this equation, we can move to next point. What is the next point, kids? They are saying Kc. Kc is equilibrium. Whenever this Kc is there, that means the thing is at equilibrium. That means E cell will be 0. E cell value will become 0 at Kc. Equilibrium constant is there. This value will become 0. Am I right, kids? If you are liking whatever I am saying, if you are following that whatever I am saying, if you are agreed with whatever I am saying, show me green signal. At any point, if you are not agreed, you can show fire. If you're agreed, keep on showing green signal. Kids, that is the required thing. If you're agreed with each and every point, you have to show green signal that right, sir, right. Now this is 0. So can I write 0 is equal to E naught cell? Now they are saying this value, this much value is equal to 0.059. So can I write 0.059? This to all right. I already know. And the hero number of electrons involved is 1. Can I write here 1? And this log Kc. Are you agreed with this point also? The third point also? If you are agreed, kids, follow the rules and regulations. I am teaching you. I will never ask for any batch, making any batch, asking for money. I just want to coordinate. I just want to make a bond with you so that I can teach you how I could understand that. If you're not writing in the chat section, you're not showing signal that yes sir means green signal, no sir, not able to understand, fire. If you're not doing that, that means what's the use, kids? every point, if you are able to understand, just like you're sitting in front of me, so that I can't see that what you're writing. I can see the green signal or the fire. Now, my dear students, if I bring this thing toward that side, so this will become 0.059 upon 1 log Kc, and this will be equal to E naught cell, and the value of E naught cell is given how much? E naught cell is equal to 0.59 volt. Now, this log Kc, if I write log Kc, then what is left? Left thing is 0.59 upon 0.059. Now, my dear students, number of people will do mistake at this place only. So remember that, convert it into like this. Write down 59 into 10 raised to power minus 2 and 59 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Now, there is no problem. Just cut out 59 and 59. This will cancel out and this will go up. So you will get 10 raised to power what? 10 raised to power what? Do let me know. 10 raised to power what? Have I missed something? Have I missed anything? Just do let me know. Have I missed anything? Have I missed anything? Kids, do let me know. Baba has missed out anything or everything is perfect? Have I missed anything or everything is perfect? Do let me know, my dear students. Just do let me know, my dear students. Everyone, just do let me know. I haven't missed out anything. Everything is correct. Everything is correct. Now, this will come up. So, 10 raised to power 1. Now, log Kc is equal to log Kc is equal to is equal to 10. Now, how to find out the value of Kc? I will take anti-log. Anti-log is the reverse of log Kc. So, I have to take anti-log of 10. Anti-log of 10. Anti-log of 10. Now, my dear students, this will cancel out anti-log with log. So, Kc, just try to find out how to find out anti-log of 10. You won't be able to find out. So, remember that if I write, see the thing, just see. If I write 10 raised to power 1, log 10 raised to power 1 is how much? 1. If I write log 10 raised to power 2, how much? 2. If I write down log 10 raised to power 5 is how much? 5. If I write down log 10 raised to power 10 is how much? 10. Are you getting my point? This. So if I write down anti-log of this, so this value we will get. That means the anti-log of 10 is how much? Just think about, log of 10 raised to power 10 was 10. So anti-log of 10 will be 10 raised to power 10. Am I right? Because if you take log of 10 raised to power 10, this value is coming. So if I'm saying anti-log of 10, this value will come. How many of you got it, kids? Just to let me know. Third should be the correct answer. Third should be the correct answer. And Baba has solved it fully. Kids, the way I'm teaching, the way I'm telling you the things, have you ever seen anyone is teaching like this? Have you ever seen? Have you ever? Now, my dear students, let me tell you one thing. You give me any number, I will tell you its log value. Maria, you are new. Anyone else is new? You just give me any number, Baba will tell you its log value. Any number. You keep your calculator with yourself and give me any number. Just give me any number, Baba will let you know the log value. Log of anything, just give me the number. Log base 10, any number, right now. You give me the number, sit with calculator, you calculate it, Baba will tell you with proper definition answer. Just fast. Before the calculator, Baba will solve it. Trick PCB, thank you. Give me the number, any number, just give me any number, kids. Baba will solve Baba will solve before computer, before log 99. Log 99 is 1.9, 1.9 something, 1.9 something. Log 637. Log 637 is 2.7 something, 2.78, 2.78. Log 964. Log 964 is 2.9 something, 2.99 something. Just, hey kids, am I right? Am I right? Just to let me know. Just to let me know. Am I right? Hey kids, first tell me the values are right or wrong. Baba has done. I know that these are absolutely correct values, absolutely correct answer. Have you ever seen any teacher doing the things in this way? Have you ever seen, kids? Do let me know. Have you ever seen any teacher doing these things, these magical things in the super way? Even a maths teacher. Even a maths teacher. Have you ever seen, kids? Do let me know. The magic is over here. Baba's maths. Baba's maths. Got it. Got it, kids. Now, really awesome, really loving. That's really fantastic. Now, see, kids. Next question. Very good question. NEET UG 2019. This is the last question, kids. Solve it. After this, all the questions, almost all the questions will be completed. So just solve it. This is the last question, kids. I will let you know. I will let you know. I will take one class. But kids, you have to tell everyone. I want to see your friends coming over here. Will you tell this thing to everyone? The magic Baba is doing. The log values Baba is doing. The physical chemistry, numerical solving Baba is doing. Organic chemistry Baba is doing. Inorganic chemistry Baba is doing. Have you seen any channel that one single teacher is teaching everything in such a great way? In such a magical way. Maths. Have you ever seen, kids? Now tell me, this is a magic or not? This is really a magic or not happening over here? Have you ever thought that somebody is going to do such a great magic? Now, last question, last question, last question, last question. Do it, solve it. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you. Thank you. I was missing. I always miss my nearest and dearest one. Yes, do let me know. What's the answer, kids? Maria, thank you. Maria, the whole Kerala should know. Maria, tell me which language is this? Chemistry Pidikya Radu Customer. It's Romba Sulvam. The physical chemistry Pidikya Radu Customer, because of numericals and everything. It's Romba Sulvam. The things which are looking Idiyappam Murku, they will become Romba Sulvam Medhuva Medhuva. It will just take either one a day, randa, monu, nale, anche, are, ere, ette, umpa, not more than that. Maria, tell everyone that all Kerala people, Tamil Nadu people, I want to see on this channel. Will you do that, Maria? If Baba's content is quality. Yeah, you got it. Nivas, you got it. Inge va, ivde va. Baba will let you know each and everything. Baba will let you know each and everything. This is the last question. I want to see the answer. Some people are going for 1. Let me solve it and let me show you the answer. The answer is absolutely correct. First is the correct answer. Congratulations. Congratulations. And let me solve it for you. Let me solve it for you. Should I? Should I solve it for you? Now see kids, how to solve this question. For the reaction, ferric is undergoing reduction to ferrous and iodide is undergoing oxidation to iodine. Now, E naught cell is given, the standard Gibbs energy. Now, standard Gibbs energy G naught. We know the formula very well, that delta G naught is equal to minus N times F E naught cell. Am I right? F E naught cell. Am I right? Now, number of electrons involved. It is that is number of electron is the hero, kids. Number of electron. If you don't know about hero, you won't be able to do anything. Just see the hero. Oh, my hero. What's your value? Fe3 plus is converting into Fe2 plus. How many electrons? It's gaining just 1 electron. 1 electron. Now, iodide, I negative is converting into I2. Now, 2 iodine, so definitely it has to lose 2 electrons. What I told you in the starting, atoms should be there, but electrons should not be visible. You have to cancel out electron. What should I do? To cancel out electron, what I am supposed to do? Multiply this equation with a 2. They will cancel out. So you got the value of N. The hero is 2. 2 electrons are the hero. Got it? 2 electrons are the hero. The value of N is 2. Am I right, kids? Am I right or not? Now, can I write here what they are asking? They are asking the standard Gibbs energy of the cell reaction, that Faraday's constant. So can I write here 2F E naught cell? E naught cell is 0.24. Am I right, kids? Volt. So how much it will come out? How much it will come out? And we know that this is coulombs per mole, 96500. So can I put the value that minus 2 into 96500 into 0.24. Now anything else is required, or we know that this is okay. Can we solve this reaction? Now, is it clear? Kilojoule per mole. Is it clear, kids? Or anything else is required to do over here? Just to let me know, anything else is required to do over here, or is it correct, kids? Do let me know. 24 2s are 48. So I will get 24 2s are 48 minus 48. Cancel out these 2 zeros with this. So this gone, this gone. 24 2s are 48 into 965. How much it will come out, kids? Now this will come out whatever that we want the answer in kilojoule, and this value will come out in joules or kilojoules. So this value will come out in joules or kilojoules, kids. So this will come out, let's see how much. 8 45 9, let's multiply it. 965 into 48. 8 45 4, 8 45 8 48 48 और 4 52 2 5 9 8 72 और 5 72 5 77 10 5 को 20 2 6 चौक 24 2 26 2 36 2 38 0 2 13 3 17 14 4 4. So near out 44320 minus 44320. Now divided by 1000, So it will come out this 44.320. So something like this, which is matching with this 44 minus, it is minus sign. So don't forget the minus sign, because whenever the question is having minus plus, so remember that it is minus, it is plus. So remember that minus and plus, there is a game with minus and plus around 45. So minus sign should be there. These two to cancel out. These two to cancel out. It can't be positive. So Baba's maths is really awesome. Do let me know. Kids, Baba's maths. Baba has solved the whole question. Baba has solved the whole question. Is it clear, kids? Do let me know. Baba has really solved the whole question. So in today's session, what part you liked most? Which part did you find that, yes, really, I think this thing was new to you? This was absolutely new. So this is all for today. I will come with some other questions. You have to tell me, which part do you want tomorrow's session, which type of numericals, which chapter numericals you want to deal with. I want to see in the comment section, not right now, because right now I will forget. So whatever you want after this session, once the session is over, you are supposed to write down in the comment section. Baba will come with that chapter only, wherever, whatever the comments I am getting more, right, kids? In the comment section, you have to write down whatever you want, the numericals, the organic chemistry, the inorganic chemistry questions, previous year questions I will come with. My dear students, good night. Take care. Share it to everyone, because sharing is caring. If you're sharing it with your friends, Almighty God is going to help you a lot. Sharing is caring. So bye to all of you. Subscribe this channel and share it to everyone so that they should come over here. This is the best channel to give you the quality content, and that is free of cost. And I will never stop this series. In the morning, I will tell you the plan, how Baba is going to move, how many classes Baba is going to take. That plan you will get early in the morning. Bye to all of you. Bye-bye. Take care. This is your Baba, H.S.P. Bye, kids. Yes, Maria, I will create. Okay. But Maria, I want to see in the comment section that maximum students should come from your side. Okay, Maria? Tricks PCB. Everyone, you have to share it to maximum people. I want to see that maximum people should come from your side. Jyoti, share it to everyone. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.